Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Diva. So today I said I should make this beautiful and effective soap. I'm sorry guys that I have to use voice because when I was making this product I have visitors, and this product that you're seeing here is my personal product, what I make and sell to my client. Okay, so yeah, I'm making a whitening soap. I have my ozone soap and I have my black soap already grated. So now I'm adding in the whitening additives. So for those of you that, I know you'll be asking me what are the names of the powders and what are the names of the ingredients that you are putting inside the soap. So I have done a lot of teaching concerning the soap, the powders that you can use to make your black soap. Remember I said black soap is very alkaline in nature. So if you're using any powders to make a black soap, you should use powders that are alkaline in nature. Okay, you do not use any powder that is acidic in nature and use it to make a black soap. It is not going to work. So I'm just making this voice now to show you how I make the soap. This is one of my best selling soap. Okay guys, I added in kojic acid, I added in licorice powder. Remember we have the licorice powder in a whitish form, we have the licorice powder in also the brown form. So you can see all these powders are all white. Okay, so guys, I'm adding in the sulfur powder. When it comes to making of your black soap, you need a sulfur powder because sulfur powder is not really going to lighten your skin or whiten your skin. It's just there to target pigmentations. Okay, it's there to target rashes, it's there to target eczema. Okay, sulfur is just for anti-reaction. If you have this anti-reaction problem, you have rashes, you have eczema, yes, that is the reason why you should add sulfur to your soap. Okay guys, so now after adding in all the powders, then you just have to mix thoroughly. Please, if you're doing this part, make sure that you are using a glove. Okay, because normally I do use my bare hands and it's beginning to affect my finger. Okay, it's beginning to affect my finger, which is not good. But if you're using a glove and if you're making a large batch of soap, it's going to be difficult because the glove is just going to be pulling inside the soap. So but now I have to start using glove because my hand is beginning to get rough. So guys, at the end of the video, when I was packaging the soap, you will see I was mentioning some kind of things I also use in making this soap. I added a lot of things. I added in oils, whitening oils, not just whitening oils, a lot of other carrier oils. Okay, so please, our online training class is still going on. If you want to learn how to make effective products, so please don't ask me how much in the comment section. It's not done. If you ask me how much in the comment section, YouTube is just going to remove your comments there. Anything that concerns money relative, when it comes to the comment section, YouTube is going to remove it. Come to my WhatsApp. I always leave my WhatsApp number below the description box. Come to my WhatsApp. We do the promising training. We also do the pure organic training from the scratch. Okay, so I must advise that if you want to go into skincare business, please try to learn, try to go for training. It must not be from me, but just try to go for training, because YouTube video, sometimes we don't show everything. To you get, and in YouTube video we can only give you one method, but when it comes to teaching, we can give you different methods. Like we can maybe we can teach you a product, and if that product is not really going well for you, and we can also give you another method, and we also have to be putting you through like if you have problems with your formulation, if your formulation is giving you stress, we teach you how to sell, we teach you how to combine different ingredients together. So guys, this soap, you just have to allow it to soak till the next day. Hey my divas, how are we all doing? So we just formulated our newly fruity herbal soap. Okay, this soap is formulated with a lot of fruit acid, honey, botanical extracts, aloe vera, shea butter, kojic acid, plant-based oils, and lots more. So guys, you can start sending in your orders. Yes, we already start taking in orders, so you can start sending in your orders to avoid it is finished. But don't worry, okay? We always produce, we never run out of any product. We never run out of any product. We always produce. So guys, we are going to be launching our kids cream and our kids glow black soap. Okay, we're going to be launching that now very soon. Kids glowing body lotion and kids glowing black soap. So if your kids have rashes on the skin, eczema on the skin, their skin is not glowing, their skin is so dry, so you have to come get for your kids also. Okay, you have to come get for your kids. Okay guys, so I'm done packaging all the soap. So like I said before, remember I told you guys that we have different formulations. So if you check this color of soap, we have the yellow color and we have the black color. Okay, so if you want to make a yellow color soap like this, we don't use the black soap. Okay, we don't use the black soap. We can use the same formula, the same recipe, but we also use another type of soap, different colors of soap, but we are not going to include black soap in it. But the other black soap, we added the ozone soap and also the black soap in it. So guys, see you soon in my other next video. Bye.